everything's bathed in a silver light. The world is sleeping in a quiet dream, and I'm just drifting on a silent stream. Nothing has changed in this old familiar place, except the lingering warmth of your embrace. It's a peaceful lake, like a leaf on a lake. I'm breathing in the air you left behind, a slow dance of the heart and the mind. You remember the sun, I remember the rain, but there's a beauty in this gentle pain. The wind, it's whispering a melody of who we were and who we're meant to be. The coffee's steaming in the morning haze. I'm lost in the labyrinth of better days. It's not a sorrow, it's a soft goodbye, like a trail of a cloud in the summer sky. We shared the same road for a little while. Now I'm just traveling with a quiet smile. You remember the sun, I remember the rain, but there's a beauty in this gentle pain. The wind, it's whispering a melody of who we were and who we're meant to be. I don't need to shout to be a soft and unspoken word. We're different now, like the changing tide. But I'm grateful for the love we couldn't hide. The wind, it's so kind today. Let it drift, let it go, just like